going to our next waterfalls destination. Likiki Waterfalls. Hi guys, so we said we're going to the waterfalls, but we stopped and we see this Nuuanu public hunting area, a watershed. So let's see what we have in here. Might have a dinosaur here. And I don't know if it is to the left or to the right. So this is like more on bamboo. What? What? I don't know where to go.
Go that way.
Hi.
Go.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, sorry.
Pardon us?
Thank you.
Oh, watch out for the wooden sticks.
Oh, yeah, wooden sticks there. Oh, it looks like in Japan. Oh my
Doing
god.
great. How you doing?
Hold on, honey.
Oh, baby?
Picture.
Picture.
It looks like in Japan. Oh my god.
Yes, we can build a shack out here. No problem at all.
Hold on, guys. We're gonna show you how beautiful here in a sec. Well, I'm not prepared on this.
That's okay.
Be very careful. But I hope there's no hurricane.
Bamboo forest. I like that.
I like this too. And we just wow.
Hey, I'm gonna say that's towards the freeway. So,
What is it? You were doing a landmark? Huh? Look at my husband is doing a landmark, like this is where we supposed to
we
go.
came out of it.
Okay.
Well, you don't believe me? I guarantee you I can find my way in a place and out of a place. I guarantee you I'd leave bed, bricks, trails, and everything.
Alright guys, we're here again to another bamboo. Wow, my slipper really gonna be like wacky. It's okay. Ah, slippery.
That way. Come on, let's...
You can go. Okay.
No, it's really muddy there. Really muddy. Come this way. This way, my love.
I'm here.
This way.
I know. I'm coming on your side.
This way.
Oh. See, if I follow you, I'm gonna be like that too. Just be careful, it's wet in here.
Yep.
I'm stepping on stone so I don't. Oh, there's some water there. Oh, it's super clean water.
No, not bad looking.
Aww. This is a watershed. Oh, there's more?
Oh yeah, what the heck?
There's more?
Is there anything good down here?
I only bring one battery. It's okay, I have my phone. Gosh,
Okay?
almost slide up.
Okay, what's the wrong direction?
Oh my god, it's beautiful in here. Whoa.
40 minutes.
40 minutes?
That's a slippery, so.
Very slippery. Careful.
Yeah.
40
Thank
minutes?
you.
Water.
Okay, thanks.
Very slippery.
Oh,
Alright guys, we have to go down and down and down for, they said 40 minutes. Must be all the waterfalls here are the same. So I tied up my sunglasses on my clothes and I tied up my long dress. So now it looks like a tops. And we're gonna go down here. We just have to be very, very careful. There you go. Now I'm more comfortable.
cool. Okay, we're gonna go to the left.
Telling
We're
you,
gonna go this way.
telling you guys, it's getting worse and worse and worse. God, don't fill up on that side. Shit. And cross.
Don't worry, we'll get it. One step at a time. Okay, that's a good picture.
Let's see if my paddle boarding balance I'll find.
Okay, now you be careful.
Wow.
Okay.
It's okay. I probably.
Well, let me get you down to the stairs into the water. And now you can go. You can go right there, right there, right there. Okay, now hold on, wait till I get there.
Oh, there's a lot of fishes. I mean, probably I can just walk in the water. It's okay. It's not sinking, right?
No, but it's a lot of holes.
What a hose.
Oh, like I just got 3 feet there.
Ooh, careful, don't run. Shit. Guys, we're here. We're 30 minutes hiking now. And this is our first time here, so we're just following the pink ribbon, really. So let's see.
Okay,
What?
there's a pink ribbon, so that's what we're following today.
Yeah. We're almost there. Oh, chocolate. Very beautiful. I saw the pink ribbon. I hear the big splash of the water. Okay, this is our 9th. We passed 2, so I didn't vlog it. We didn't take a video because it's super muddy. And where did this go? This up.
Oh,
Huh. It finally, oh my goodness. Oh. Yay! We made it! Okay. We passed 7 waterfalls before I get this big giant one for 1 hour and a half, huh? Ooh, it's deeper.
Don't knock over the rock.
Right guys, we're now in here.
Hey guys, I'm soaking wet.
I removed my top and my skirt, and then I went to the underneath the waterfalls, and I will just give you the picture slide.
Okay, so it took us an hour and a half to get up. It's going to take us 2.5 hours to get back down. We'll vlog when we get back on the road. We probably won't turn it on. It's going to be wet and muddy going back down.
I'm glad we went in here.
Yeah, me too.
That's good.
Okay. Goodbye, vlog.